guys, it's Valerie here. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen today. I will be straining my homemade apple cider vinegar. Now, I must say that this is my second batch of apple cider vinegar. The first batch I made with fresh apples from the apple tree in our backyard, and so it came out looking a little different. Plus this little jelly thing that's in the jar here, it's called the, I think it's called the Scooby. It's not as big because this time what I did was use apples that I had frozen. Yes, our apple tree is one that bears every other year. So 2020 it was loaded. 2021 we got one apple, which the chipmunks helped us to eat. Anyways, I am going to go ahead now and I am going to strain these and put them in my jars, and then I'll put them in the refrigerator, because when you refrigerate the apple cider vinegar, what it does is to at least slow down, if not stop, the fermentation. And I'm straining it in a jug that has a spout. So when I strain it, I'll just pour it. Feeling pretty good about it because I'm still learning. This is just my second batch and I think I'm doing good. Just let me know what you think. The way I do it, I actually got a recipe with instructions of Pinterest, and that's what I use for my first batch, and I use for my second batch because it worked for me. Didn't get any mold at all. So as I said before, my first batch was from fresh apples and I got a big Scooby. This time it's from frozen apple, and my Scooby is not as big, but it's still a Scooby. Okay, so there it is. I have my apple cider vinegar that's ready for the refrigerator, and usually when I'm consuming it, I may use it with some lemon, a little lemon and honey and warm water with some turmeric and black pepper. Or you can just put in a little water and drink it without anything else added to it. But I like to have it warm. And usually I have it in the mornings. But I found out recently that actually it's even better to have it before you go to bed. Well, that's it. My apple cider vinegar is all done, and my third batch will be started in the fall, guys. Thank you so much for watching the videos, for subscribing, sharing, commenting, liking. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now until I see you in the next video.